4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede, coming out from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song by Fleetwood Mac, Black Magic Woman. And I know most of you guys probably know the Santana version more, but these guys wrote it, and this is the cool version on the acoustic guitar. Cool, so let's go. Standard tuning. We get D minor, song is in D minor. First finger, second finger, third finger. We got A7. Second finger on D, third finger on B. And then we got a G minor bar chord. Got a bar, third fret. 5, 5, A, D. It's always a bar chord, right? And then so it's the same chords over and over. It's D minor, A7, D minor, G minor, and then they do A minor, C, B flat, A, D minor, C. 1, 2, 3, B flat. That's 1, 3, 3, A7. Okay. All right. So let's go with the form, and the strumming is kind of like. That's a cool way of doing it. Down, up, down, up, down. So kind of. The second strum, you kind of glide over the strings. Got a black manic woman. Got a black manic woman. The whole song. So, and then the ending, they do a little jam that's faster. That's just D minor to C. Alright, so this feel is cool. So that's a good thing to learn. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. See you tomorrow with more rockin' songs. Be safe.